welcome to Window the channel. And it has arrived a $64 plushie. You have to pay for shipping too. And it's a big box. Now, this took 1 week. So, we are going to open it. Okay. It was from a company named... Happy Playtime. Oh, this is big. Let's take the plushie out, and his name is BOXY BOO. This is so big, and there's a picture in here. I don't know what to do with it. Okay, let's put this box down so you can see BOXY BOO, and look at him. Look at BOXY BOO. Now, how do you open this? How do you open it? Scissors. How do you open this? Scissors. I'm going to read this instructions. It's for babies. It's not for babies. It's not for babies. Babies can't have this. Okay, let me see if I can find scissors and if you could cut this with scissors. Yes. Here's a scissors if you need help. Get down from there! You're not gonna be in my video. What? Okay, this is really fluffy so far. Yeah, take him out. Okay, it feels kind of hard. Look at his slinky. It looks like a slinky. It has a playtime thing on. He can stretch his arms. Go reach you. Ah! BOXY BOO! Ah! Look at him. He's a slinky. Stretch his arms. He can stretch his arms and his legs. He could jump. His... He flipped over. Ooh, $54. You have to pay $15 for shipping. Look at this. This looks so cool right now. I've been waiting a week for this. This is what he really looked like. You have to do this, and then he'll pop up. So first, his arm will pop up like this. First arm, second arm, and then his legs, and then his head last will pop out. And that's why it's called BOXY BOO. He has a thing right here. He can stretch his arms and reach you. And this is the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.